Hey guys, this is my last night with the Subaru Ascent. I wanted to kind of wrap up my week in this car and give you guys a night drive, show you what this thing is like in the dark. We'll also do an audio test with our new tracks, show you what this premium Harman Kardon sound system sounds like. Probably my favorite thing about this Ascent is the interior space. It's really impressively roomy in the back seats. There's a really lot of intelligent packaging decisions here with the way things are set up and laid out. And these captain's chairs are nice. This pass-through is really good. The floor height is relatively low, considering what this vehicle is. It's kind of your modern minivan SUV without it really being a full-on minivan with a sliding door. Really the only issue I have with this Ascent is the throttle tuning. It's an on-off switch and it's pretty hard to modulate. But otherwise it's a pretty good overall package. The infotainment is pretty easy to use. There's lots of knobs, buttons, switches for everything. There's nothing too crazy or weird about it as a vehicle. Gear selector feels a little bit cheap, but not a deal breaker by any means. And it does drive a little bit smaller than a lot of vehicles in this class. You know, for a 3-row SUV, this doesn't drive that far off from some of Subaru's smaller crossovers and wagons. Get a digital mirror here, so at night you can get a little bit better of a view behind you. Sound system sounds awesome. Harman Kardon in this is great. still think the ride is a little bit too stiff in this Ascent. These are just little drivability things that if Subaru ironed out, this would be a really, really pretty good offering in this segment. But it's so competitive and there's so many other vehicles that I would probably rather have over this because of those drivability concerns. And you know, these are things that bother me. And I have driven a lot of vehicles and can have a little bit more of a discerning taste. But I do find it a little bit irritating to drive because of the sensitivity of the throttle and the ride quality. But otherwise, this thing's pretty great, actually. Alright guys, well that'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about the Ascent after posting these videos. We'll see you guys in the next one here this next week. Take it easy.